Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality lessons for you. Section 1. Simple A1 versus Advanced C1. Greetings A1, A2. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. C1, C2 greetings. How have you been lately? I'm doing quite well, thank you for asking. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. I hope your day unfolds beautifully. Section 2. Expressing likes A1, A2. I like it. I don't like it. I like this movie. I like your idea. C1, C2, I find it enjoyable. It does not appeal to me. This film resonates with me. Your idea is remarkably insightful. Section 3. Expressing opinions A1, A2. I think so. I don't think so. It is good. It is bad. C1, C2, I am inclined to believe so. I tend to disagree. It is highly commendable. It is rather disappointing. Section 4. Describing people A1, A2. He is tall, she is short. He is friendly, she is smart. C1, C2, he is exceptionally tall. She is relatively petite. He demonstrates remarkable friendliness. She possesses impressive intelligence. Section 5. Talking about time A1, A2. I am busy. I am free. I have time. I don't have time. C1, C2. My schedule is occupied. I am available at the moment. I can allocate some time. I am unable to spare any time right now. Section 6. Making requests A1, A2. Can you help me? Please wait. Please come here. C1, C2. Could you kindly assist me? I would appreciate it if you could wait a moment. Would you mind coming over here? Section 7. Agreeing and disagreeing A1, A2. Yes, I agree. No, I disagree. C1, C2, I completely concur with that point. I respectfully disagree with that argument. Section 8. Talking about possibility. A1, A2. It is possible. It is not possible. C1, C2, it is entirely feasible. That seems rather unlikely. Section 9. Giving suggestions. A1, A2. Try this. Do that. Don't do that. C1, C2. You might want to consider trying this. You could potentially pursue that option. I would advise against doing that. Mid-video reminder. If you are enjoying these useful English expressions, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps this channel grow. Section 10. Describing weather. A1, A2. It is hot. It is cold. It is raining. C1, C2. The weather is extremely warm. The temperature is quite chilly. There is significant rainfall today. Section 11. Describing feelings. A1, A2. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. C1, C2. I feel delighted. I am feeling rather sorrowful. I am completely exhausted. Section 12. Giving explanations A1, A2. Because it is easy. Because it is difficult. C1, C2. The reason is that it is relatively simple. This is due to its challenging nature. Section 13. Expressing uncertainty A1, A2. I am not sure. Maybe. C1, C2. I am uncertain about that. That is a plausible possibility. Section 14. Talking about ability A1, A2. I can do it. I can't do it. C1, C2. I am capable of accomplishing that. I am unable to perform that task. Section 15. Making promises A1, A2. I promise. I will do it. C1, C2. I give you my word. I will make sure it gets done. Section 16. Asking for clarification A1, A2. What do you mean? Say it again. C1, C2. Could you clarify what you mean? Could you kindly repeat that? Section 17. Expressing surprise A1, A2. Really? Wow. That is surprising. C1, C2. Are you serious? That is truly astonishing. That comes as quite a surprise. Section 18. Conversations about daily life. A1, A2. I go to school. I work every day. I eat breakfast. C1, C2. I attend school regularly. I work on a daily basis. I usually have breakfast in the morning. Section 19. Expressing necessity. A1, A2. I need this. I don't need this. C1, C2. This is necessary for me. This is not essential. Section 20. Talking about plans. A1, A2. I will go tomorrow. I will call you. C1, C2. I intend to go tomorrow. I will contact you later. Final reminder, end of video. If this lesson helped you improve your English, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more high-quality lessons.